Here we are on the rainy walk today. Me and Pi's going on a rainy walk.
Still can hear the birds singing though.
Yeah.
I'm surprised. Here comes more.
And all that heavy rain off the trees now. Nice little classic car again.
Yeah.
Got the hood up on it.
This one a little shorter.
Hmm?
I said this one, if it starts raining hard, we may have to cut it a little shorter. A lot of people at the school.
Yeah, it starts raining too hard. We might have to. Or we're gonna have to. Mine ain't got nothing. Shorts and all. Out in the rain. See me, I got my hat, sweatshirt, jeans, boots. I'm ready for a flood.
Getting around for school.
New school getting back in session. All the cars. Or are they already back in school?
I don't think they're back yet.
Boy, we got all kinds of people up here.
Probably where they go in and see their classrooms. Maybe.
Well,
Summer went fast.
yep, summer came, summer gone. Well, not completely.
It feels like it.
And still, we got,
A little
I think, an
time.
80-degree day coming up. We're just wet and rainy right now.
Look at all the paper
Yeah.
clips again already.
Look at there. There's a yellow one, and right over there's the blue one. Blue and gold. Woohoo! The red one. Holy cow, they're losing all kinds of them down
All
there.
last year, remember? It's weird. Whoever gets them must just leave a trail. Oh, that's cute how they did that little chair. See it?
Where?
Right there in the corner, that little chair with the flowers.
Yeah. Oh, they set up the flowers. See, we got a little chair. Took a little chair and made a flower pot out of it.
That's kind of cute. First day is August the 22nd.
22nd, first day of school here. What's today?
Today's 19th.
Wow, they're real close.
Monday.
Yeah, they go back to school Monday.
Yeah, it'd be Monday.
Woohoo!
That's why they're getting around.
Congratulations to the kids going back to school.
Or wait, would it be Monday?
Yeah, be 3 days.
Yeah.
Monday they're going back to school. That's why everybody's gathering around today.
Getting the classrooms ready and stuff.
Mhm.
A lot of people at your
Getting her all
friend's
set
house
up.
today.
Huh?
A lot of people at your friend's house today.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Unless that's fucking the kids. She's got 3 boys. So.
Hmm.
See, me and him had so much in common. We had brothers, both brothers named Doug and Jeff.
That's crazy.
Yep. He had 2 brothers. I had 3 brothers.
Right. But two of them were named the same.
Yep, Joe had his exact same name. Doug and Jeff. I couldn't believe it.
That's weird.
I gotta walk out here. I hate this sidewalk shit.
They cut that grass right down.
Cut it short.
The bottom dowry there.
Yeah, missed some spots. And they just did it get done. That's what they did.
It's a big sale there today, but
Big sale today. There it is.
dog cage. Hope everybody's enjoying their day, Friday.
Yep, TGIF. Woohoo! Now I sound like fucking Nickelodeon or something. TGIF.
Oh, there's Tommy's mom and dad.
What?
Look, on the porch,
Where?
right behind that bush now.
Oh, yep.
They got a pumpkin on it.
Oh, they got the big ones. And the dog.
Oh, they got the dog.
Oh, they got the dog
They
skeleton.
probably can't see it.
Oh, they got a.
Twist me.
The guy that house there had a Tommy, but he was next size bigger than Tommy, and he got a dog that sits right beside him.
That would be awesome.
I gotta look for the dog.
That'd be awesome.
Yep, that dog gonna follow me everywhere. He's gonna be our 4th dog. Watch the neighbors now. I'm gonna be out there walking a skeleton dog.
Talking to him.
I'm gonna be out there walking and talking to a skeleton dog. When I let my dogs out, my neighbor's gonna think I'm nuts.
I can't believe they ain't moved in here yet. That'd be funny.
You know,
They
I don't
would.
know where. I like know where they got it because I didn't see Walmart or none of them have that. I see where all the birds and squirrels went.
Yeah, look at it. Holy cow. There's a lot of them.
Hey, squirrelies. How you doing, squirrelies?
So you
How the good squirrelies? See you later, birdies.
I keep twisting my leg.
Oh, walk backwards. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. That big snowball bush. Huh?
Weird how that one stays as green color. Oh, look at the baby rabbit.
Oh, look at baby bunny. Oh, you missed
he
him.
ran.
I don't know if you guys gonna catch that. But a little baby bunny ran into that little bush right there in the corner. Little baby bunny.
That was cute. I want to get one of them and put it where our cement pieces are.
Like those gazebo sets, or whatever you call them. Those are nice. They got those set up pretty nice. The big pool. Woohoo! Huh?
I'd like to have the screen around it.
Screened in all the way.
Uh-huh.
Screened in all the way.
Yeah. Have it screened in around it and then the door. They really improved that house. Put that metal roof and all on it.
Look at this ledge. It's where the sidewalks are getting growed right in.
They're bad.
There's nobody edges them
Uh-huh.
to keep it back. Then they widen the sidewalk at this side.
Yeah.
I don't
This
know why they
only
didn't do
part
that.
right here.
I don't know why they didn't do the whole thing.
I don't either.
Yep. Here's the tree with all the birds. You're a good bird, Heath. They all shut right up when we walked into them.
Sunflower. They got Michigan on the back here.
Yeah, Michigan. I don't know if we can see it. We got big blue in or yellow in.
Go blue.
Woohoo! What the hell has he got growing on the side? Look at that shit growing on the side of it. Oh, that shit from the tree. Holy cow.
That's
Oh,
that one
look
that sits back there forever.
Tell that one been sitting for a while. Got tree going on. Got tree shit growing up and now.
I don't know some of them. Oh, those are my flowers right there. See them?
What?
Like my flowers.
Oh, yeah.
Smell pretty good.
Look at that flower. Birdie. That's my neighbor. She's got flowers and everything all around her house.
Pretty.
Bushes, yeah, she gets it all set up. Nice. She got some more around the corner. Oop, there it is.
I think them are the same one as over there.
Huh?
Kind of look like the same ones over there. Ooh, there's a big one.
See, she's got these ones. They're pretty. Isn't that pretty? And she's got these big, huge ones. Ain't those pretty? And she's got these. Ain't these pretty? Ain't them pretty? And she got these ones. Ooh, she got some more of these. Ain't them pretty? Ain't got those red ones. Look at them. Ain't them pretty? Ma takes right off on me. That's dangerous. That's dangerous. He got that back there in a 2x4.
Show them the tomato plant, how big it got.
That's my neighbor, man. It's my other neighbor's tomato plant. He got a bunch of tomatoes on there now.
That thing is huge.
Yeah, he let that grow tall, up to his roof almost. Huh?
Your eagle's face was the color of the tree.
What?
Your eagle's face.
Oh, I know, I gotta repaint him. I gotta get him sprayed down and repaint him. Here we are, back on. Made it home. Woohoo! Go blue!
House.
Go American Michigan blue! There the eagle. Still flying. Well, we home fam. Love you. Thanks for coming on a walk with us. We'll see you live at 5.